Dear children, this is the next topic in the unit Computer Network, that is again related with the IP Act, the law and the crimes. Here we are going to deal with a cyber law. A cyber law is a part of overall legal system that deals with the internet or cyberspace and their respective legal issues. Cyber law covers a fairly broad area encompassing several subtopics including freedom of expression or access to and usage of the internet and online privacy. Generically, cyber law is referred to as the law of internet. The first cyber law was the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act enacted in 1986, known as CFAA. This law prohibits unauthorized access to computers and include details about the levels of punishment for breaking that law. What is its need? Like any law, a cyber law is created to help protect people and organizations on the internet from malicious people on the internet and help maintain order. If someone breaks a cyber law or rule, it allows another person or organization to take action against that person or have them sentenced to a punishment. Cyber law. The importance of cyber law deals with three things. It covers all transaction over internet. It keeps eyes on all activities over internet. It touches every actions and every reactions in cyber law. Cyber law is also known as IT law. Is the law regarding information technology including computers and internet. What are the areas of cyber law? A fraud which uses computer as a target or a weapon. The copyright of software products. The copyright is something like licensing. Those who creates or develops a software product, they are having a copyright for that particular product. Then defamation. That means encryption and decryption of data. The harassment and stacking. The second one is freedom of speech. The next one, trade secrets. Then the last one is contracts and employment law. These are all the areas where we can apply a cyber law. The cyber law or the cyber crime which deals with a person uses a computer as a target or a weapon or a tool for doing cyber crimes. What happens if you break a cyber law? There are different forms of punishment depending on the type of cyber law you broke, that we already discussed in India IT Act. The sections from 65 to 71 and various offences and penalties. Where you broke the law and where you live. In many situations, breaking the rules on a website results in your account becoming suspended or banned or your IP address blocked. To determine the consequences of your action for minor offences, the law recommends reviewing the company's terms of service or rules. If you have committed a more serious offense such as hacking, attacking another person or website, or causing another person or company distress, additional action may be taken against you. So that, my dear children, you should aware about what are all the cyber crimes and what are all the laws and what are all the punishments, so that you can act as a good netiquette in internet. Thank you.